In this video, I'm going to be teaching you the exact way that I take Korean red ginseng and the exact product that I use. And I've been taking Korean red ginseng for a little bit over a year. I have experimented with several different brands and several different delivery methods of actually getting that Korean red ginseng into my body. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing my experience, sharing my recommendations, and hopefully by the end of it, you've got a new resolution for 2023 to get on Korean red ginseng, improve your health, and add some more natural health remedies to your routine. If you're new to the channel, great to meet you. I'm Dr. Jay Feldman. I'm an osteopathic physician. I am not a board certified physician, and nothing that you hear here is medical advice. This is me talking to you as someone who's insanely passionate about natural health, about regenerative medicine, and I hope you learned something from this today. Korean red ginseng is a miracle, and I say that not only because it works for me, but this is something that's been used for centuries in Asian medicine. And what I've noticed over the career of myself in medicine, learning about different medications, modalities, cultures, is that if cultures have been using something for centuries and have seen the benefits, and it's noticeable in their population and their health outcomes, then there's probably something to it. Korean ginseng is one of those things. Korean red ginseng, also known as Panax ginseng, is actually derived from a root. And in traditional medicine, this has been known to have a lot of really positive effects. One, positive effects on the immune system, positive effects on mental clarity and focus, and then positive effects on energy. I use it primarily for 2 and 3. I want to perform the very best that I can every single day on camera for you here and in my business, which has over 50 employees and offices in St. Pete and Orlando. I need to be on top of my game all the time. So I need to be quick, I need to be decisive, I need to have good recall, and ginseng helps me do that. But not only that, it helps me stay energized and positive for the entire span of the day. It's pretty incredible what you get from just one herb. So before we get into how I actually take it and which product I take, just a quick background on Korean red ginseng and what you can expect from adding this to your routine. So one of the most well-known effects, and my favorite, is its ability to improve brain function. They've done clinical studies and it's been shown to have a positive effect on memory, concentration, and overall mental health. This is largely due to the presence of ginsenosides, which are the molecules in the ginseng root itself. In addition to the cognitive benefits, you might be somebody who wants to benefit from the immune support, especially over the past few years. This is a big topic of concern. Ginseng is one of the most powerful substances for your immune system. To go a little bit deeper, it actually increases the count of white blood cells in your blood. Those are the cells responsible for destroying bacteria and viruses, but also cancer. In addition, yes, there's more. Korean red ginseng is also known to have a good effect on your mental health. Reducing stress could mean lower chances of cancer, more happiness, more energy. So these are just some of the effects of Korean red ginseng. There's actually another video that I did. You can check the link above. It goes a little bit deeper into the benefits of Korean red ginseng, a little bit more about the science and how that works. But in this video, I want to talk mostly about how to actually take your Korean red ginseng and recommend a product that I've been using for a while that I think you should absolutely pick up. So there are a couple different methods of taking Korean red ginseng. The easy one is by capsules, and you can take it that way. But in my opinion, you don't get the full effect of Korean red ginseng with just the root in the capsule. The best way to take it, in my opinion, and this is in my experience, I've tried several different modalities. It's also my favorite too, because this one feels a little bit more natural. You actually taste and absorb kind of the spirit of the ginseng, if that makes sense. That might sound a little bit corny. But if you drink it as a tea, and I'm going to show you the exact way to make the perfect ginseng tea for maximum absorption, you're smelling it, it's sitting on your tongue, you're not missing that first part of your digestive system, which happens in the mouth. And this is how it was originally meant to be taken. You're supposed to grind up the root and turn it into a tea. So I've been drinking it as a tea twice a day for the past several months. I have it in the morning and I have it at night. Now you can buy several different tea products that help, but I like to keep it as simple as possible and increase the rate at which this is absorbing into my body. So what I use is a product called ILHWA concentrated ginseng tea. So this is a liquidy form. It's kind of like a honey. Take a spoon and you drop it into hot water and then you mix it in like a tea. You can add honey if you'd like as well, but it actually tastes pretty good and it tastes like ginseng. So here's the product here. It comes in this cool little wooden box. And then within that, you have a really authentic looking bottle. You can see the substance here. It's a black honey-like substance. And you just put a spoon or two of this into hot water and you actually get all the benefits of a really high quality ginseng tea with all of the ginsenicides. You get full digestion in your mouth and into your gut, full absorption, and it really just kickstarts your energy throughout the day. It kickstarts your immune system, and I guarantee once you take this, you're going to have increased clarity, increased recall, and be able to do things mentally that you might not be able to do. All that cloudiness that might happen in your brain, this actually helps get rid of that. So the way that I recommend taking it is in the morning and at night. You can also use this in the afternoon. Maybe you have a hot water machine at your office. Is just boil some hot water. I have a quick kettle, so I push a button. The water gets hot within a couple of minutes. Pour it into a cup with some of this Korean red ginseng extract, mix it together, and I enjoy it over the course of 5 to 10 minutes. Really try and take your time with the tea. Feel it going into your mouth, digesting, coming down. Feel the ginseng's effect on your brain. Over the course between 30 minutes and 1 hour, the cloud that you have over your mind and over your thoughts is going to quickly dissipate. You're going to be able to recall items faster. You're going to be working more productively. And then try and think about your energy levels and your stress levels throughout the day when you're using the ginseng. If you notice a decrease in stress and increase in energy with this ginseng product, you know that it's working. Now, I will say with any herbal supplement, you should contact your physician to make sure that it doesn't interact with any of the medications that you're taking. And you should always keep in mind that herbal supplements are not pharmaceutical medications. They're not going to have a massive effect right away. It's mild effects that happen over time. So you have to use this for weeks to months to really notice an overall effect in your day-to-day life. But I encourage you to really get in touch with your mind and your body, and as you're taking this product, really feel the immediate effects that it might have. You might notice them immediately, you might not. But just try and be in tune, be in touch, feel what's happening. If you're somebody like myself who takes this and says, wow, that made a huge difference, I can tell right away, now you can adapt this into your routine. These supplements are very affordable, they're natural, so the downside is going to be very small. Highly encourage you to pick one of these up and try it out. See how it works in your day-to-day life. All right, thank you for watching. If you love this video, I do have a link to this product down in the bio. They give me a couple percentage of everything you buy. It's not much, but I hope that you enjoy the product as much as I do. It's down there in the show notes. Please click on that, pick yourself up some ginseng, or find another similar product. This is one that I recommend. They've been in business over 50 years. They make really good stuff. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Try Korean red ginseng. I'd love to know in the comments what you think about it, and I'll see you in the next video.